Hi and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at how to insert the current time into our spreadsheet. We'll do this by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift semicolon, and we'll also look at a longer method in order to achieve the same result. So with that, let's get started. In our last video, we looked at how to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl semicolon in order to insert the specific date. And then we looked at the idea of using the now function, and the now function will give us both the date and time. And so then we would go Alt to the Home tab, to the formatting, and then to the short date. We're going to do a similar approach by inputting the current time. We're going to press the Control key, the Shift key, and the semicolon key. That would give you the current time, and you could look here on my computer, the internal clock is 10:30. So if we wanted to do this and we didn't remember the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl Shift semicolon, we could either type in the now function and then modify that by coming up here to time. Or maybe we would actually have to go to more formats, time, and then we would want this second one here. Or if you didn't remember the actual now function, you could go into Insert. I think it would actually be Formulas, Insert a Function, bring up the function dialog box, and then we're going to say date and time. You could either put the date or the time value. I think now time. Clearly, this would be better if you knew what you're doing. So we'll go to date and time, and then we'll go to the now function. Now function, we hit OK. And then we would come up here to our Home tab, and again, we would change this to time. But we may have to change it to a different format in order to specifically match our current time. So again, in this video, we looked at using the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl Shift colon in order to insert our time, or we can use the function of now and then change that by going to more formats, going to time, and then picking the specific one that we want. Or lastly, we could go to Formulas, Insert, make sure that we're at date and time. We go to now, OK, hit OK, and then we would still have to go and change the format by coming in here and selecting more formats, time, and you'd pick whichever one you'd like to use. So with that, in our next video, we'll look at the idea of using Control D in order to automatically fill data down from the cell above. Check that out in our next video. Thanks for watching.